Alright, in this video we're going to create a fresh mod pack via the Modrinth app for Cobblemon on Fabric. We start by clicking the green Create Profile button. This will pop up this modal. Ignore all this, you can make an icon if you want, but I'm not going to worry about it for the purposes of this. I'm just going to type in a name. You can name it anything you want. I'm going to be uncreative and call it Cobblemon Fabric. Then select Fabric. The latest version of Cobblemon is on Minecraft 1.21 as of this recording. Then hit Create. Don't click this play button, that'll kick the game up. Go ahead and click anywhere on that card aside from the play button, which will allow you to manage your profile. We'll head into Add Content, search up Cobblemon in the Mods category, and click Install. It's been doing this, ignore that for a second. It does it on the second one. I don't know. Modrinth's acting up as of this recording, but I hit Control-R to refresh it, and I've done a couple takes of this. There it goes. It worked just fine. It'll go to installing, and then it'll go to installed. If I head back out by clicking that icon on the top left, we can see that I now have Fabric in Cobblemon. I am ready to play. If I click the play button, it's kicking up. Don't worry about any of these warnings going off inside of here. They will not cause an issue.
Press enter to enable.
And remember to press enter to enable the narrator. Cobblemon loading its stuff up. And the world kicking up. At 100%. Here we are, we got the prompt up top to press the M key, and we're in Cobblemon. No shiny starter, alas.